Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to put my Zulay milk frother to the test. And yes guys, I've been using it for half and half and milks, and right now I'm actually going to be using heavy cream. So yes, I'm actually going to put some cream in a cup. I mean, it's definitely nice to sometimes have this, basically a very nice whipping dessert with your coffee. So what I'm going to be doing is actually I'm going to whip it. And yes, with this you can actually also put it on your desserts. As you can see, right now it is quite liquid, but we are going to make it completely and absolutely solid. So yes, you can then actually dip your strawberries in it. And as you can see, quite fast, you don't need to make a lot of fuss with your hand mixer if it's large one, and you just want a little bit of a whipped cream. Or of course, you can also pour it all over your desserts and ice cream. And yes, it looks like I'm almost done. It actually thickens as we speak. Absolutely love this capability, and it actually smells so delicious. So yes, I feel like we are almost there. As you can see, it is already almost to that thickness. And again, you can do up and down, but make sure you're kind of gathering everything from the sides as well, like you would with your regular mixer. And yes, guys, it is quite thick already. I believe a couple more seconds and I will be done. You can also experiment with different shapes of your cup. Absolutely love it. And yes guys, as you can see, it is now completely and absolutely solid, and I can actually dip my strawberries in it.